Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing a clean image file and inserting it into the document. Select Insert Pictures and pick a PNG or JPEG. PNG retains transparency better. Once placed, set Wrap Text to in front of text so the image moves freely. Make sure the image size and position are roughly where you want it. You can resize with corner handles. This first step gets the image ready for editing and avoids layout conflicts later when you apply transparency adjustments. Once the picture is selected, switch to Picture Format and choose Transparency. You can pick a preset or click Picture Transparency options to open detailed controls. In the pane, drag the transparency slider or type a precise % to make parts or the whole image lighter. This is useful when you want a watermark effect. If you place the picture inside a shape or text box, use Shape Format Fill Picture or Texture Fill and adjust transparency there to achieve the same result with consistent shaping. Finish by refining contrast and removing any unwanted background so the transparent effect reads clearly on your page. Use Remove Background or Corrections in Picture Format, then tweak brightness/contrast. Once satisfied, group the image with nearby text or shapes to lock layout, or right-click and save as picture to reuse. If you don't see transparency, make sure you're in Print Layout view and that you used a PNG or supported format. Convert to PNG if printers or older Word versions flatten transparency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.